Hello, third graders. I miss you guys. This is another format. This is called Educreations, and I'm creating a video this way. I know this whole area thing is a challenge, but I know you guys can get this, so I'm going to make one more video about area. The standard says you should be able to calculate area using the formula length times width, and that will always work unless you have an irregularly shaped rectangle or two rectangles together. But today we're just going to look at using the formula length times width. Okay, so I wanted to point out to you guys that area sounds a lot like the word array. You guys remember array is when we place things in even rows and columns. Well, area is pretty much like an array, so it's not an accident that they sound the same. And when we are figuring out area for a rectangle, it's always going to be length times width. So I know you guys are working on your multiplication facts, so that should be a no-brainer. Let's take a look at some work. Alrighty, so, whoops, sorry, I'm still learning. And I'm going to erase all my writing, clear that page. Okay. Oh no! Nuts. Let's try that again. Okay, so we'll clear the writing, right? Clear ink. Bam. All right, so. Oh, now I got to do touch, and now I can make this bigger. Okay, so here's some shapes. And we are going to fill in the squares so that we can see how many squares are in each one. If you look, here is on the bottom is where you're going to write your answers. We're going to utilize the formula to do the array after we draw the lines. So first I'm going to draw the lines to fill in each of these shapes. So do it with me with your finger, okay? All right, so now on shape A. Let's look at shape A. Okay, so shape A, here's, whoops, here's where I'm going to write the answers for shape A. So now I can look, because I filled in the lines, I can look and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going this direction. And how many going this direction? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so area has to be calculated in length times width. So therefore, we would write 3 times 4, which equals, I'm going to wait, 12. I heard somebody say it. I know Jason knows it. I know Armando knows it. I know Kaylee and Ebony and Emma know it. I know almost everybody knows it, so keep practicing those math facts. Okay, I'm going to do the same for this shape, shape B. I'm going to fill in the lines first. All right, so now I can easily count the shapes. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this way. How many this way? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. 5 this direction. Length times width. So we're using the formula. Length times width. So we're going to write 5 times 4. Everybody 5 times 4. Let's skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Everybody 20. Gosh, I miss having you guys in the room. All right, so you see what we're doing here? All right, let's go to letter C. Let's use screen. Uh-oh. There we go. Thought I ran out of time or something. All right, now I can count the shapes inside for the area. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 this way. And 1, 2. Oh, just 2. 2 this way. So now we're going to look at shape C. And shape C goes right here. And we're going to go 7 times 2. 7 times 2, everybody. Yes, I heard you guys say at 14. Write it down. Okay, I'm going to be sending this out with our next packet. So you'll see this worksheet again. So if you're paying attention, you got it. Okay, one more time. Letter D. Ooh, wow, that's a big one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to fill in the crosses. Got it. Okay, so now how many this direction? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this way. And how many this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 this way. So we need to know what is 7 times 4, or 4 times 7. And I know that all you guys know that 7 times 4 is 7 groups of 4, or 4 groups of 7, or skip count by 7 4 times, or skip count by 4 7 times. Any way you do it, you should get 28. Is that what you got? Good, I hope so. I got a couple of little tiny shapes here. So let's do those quickly. 1, 2. Uh-oh. How many this direction? 1, 2, 3. 3. How many this direction? 1. So this area, length times width, is 1 times 3 equals, you guys said it, 3. All right, last one. We're going to go 1 down the middle, and then we're going to make 3 this way. And then we can visually see how many are there, or we can use the formula. And the formula counts off 1, 2 this direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4 this direction. Length times width is your formula, third graders, for area for a rectangle or a square. So I'm going to write 2 times 4, 2 groups of 4, 4 groups of 2, skip count by 2 4 times. All of those will get you there. And so 2 times 4 equals, I'm waiting. You're going to have to say it really loud or I can't hear you. It's 8. Okay, so you need to remember the area for a rectangle or a square is always length times width. Can you guys say that with me? Okay, an area for a rectangle or a square is length times width. Length times width equals A. So I'm going to write that over here. L times W equals A. Put that in your head and remember it. So when you see a rectangle or a square and have an area question, you know length times width. Hey, I really missed you guys. I hope you guys have been working on your work. I can't wait till I get to see you guys again. We can do all this fun in person. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.